everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ina and today I'm gonna show you all my heels collection. I'm gonna try all of them on and I'm gonna share with you where I got the shoes from. And also I make a lot of videos about reviewing products and which ones I like and which ones I would actually highly recommend. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below at the very end of the video. Comment below which shoe was your absolute favorite and which one you actually would love to have. Alright, so the first pair was from FOREVER21. I think they're super comfortable and they're perfect for fall or if it's still kind of cold for your springtime. But they're quite nice, very comfortable to walk around. It just has a very cute bow on the back. This one is from a Reflection store in the mall. Maybe some of the malls might have those stores, some might not. It's actually kind of like on a discount store level, but it's a very cute pair for like a country look outfits. This one is definitely my favorite, and this is from BCBG. They're absolutely perfect. They're so wide, and my feet don't hurt in them. You could actually tell that they're literally like slightly falling apart on the platform part, and they're perfect nude color. This is from Ted Baker, and I love these shoes. Again, these shoes they're very comfortable and they're silk and they're absolutely gorgeous. I love to dress up in these to like some high-end events, weddings or whatnot, and I love that bow at the front. It makes any outfit so cute, and it has a bow in the back and just this rose gold detailing is amazing. This one is from KARL Lagerfeld, Paris. I got these from Ross actually, and they're suede, and you can tell I have worn them a lot because they're actually quite dirty, and I guess that's a big minus about suede. For this pair is from FOREVER21. Very like simple little pair, but if something I want to have a little cute dress, this is perfect for those outfits that you don't want to have huge heels on. They're kind of comfortable, but they have given me some trouble a little bit. These are so my favorite. They are from Express, and this is the perfect nude and black for any occasion. I have worn them all the time with everything because how comfortable they are and how they can match to any outfit. Again, you can use them for work for any occasion. Also, these were from the company is GLAZA, and I got these from WINDSOR. So this is definitely a classic. You can wear this with anything. This is a must-have in any heels collection, definitely. This is a fun one. I recently got one. I really wanted a pair of red heels. They're so shiny, so dressy. This can go really well with black dresses, maybe white dresses, something like simple so these red heels can stand out. I absolutely love them. Very comfortable too. And these were from DSW, and the company is O-Sign. I'm not sure what the company is, but it's definitely, you can find them at DSW. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm glad you could visit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.